Hey guys, I hope you are well. So today I'll show you how you can crop or resize your image in Photoshop. Just to be note, like I'm using Photoshop CC 2017. So your Photoshop look like different than mine. So just keep a note of this. So let's get started. So I'll just open image what I want to resize. Okay, so this is my image now. Just make sure you unlock this so you can resize and crop anything like this. So yeah, first of all we'll try to understand like how you can just resize your image. So because resize and crop is something, it's a similar but there is a difference. So first of all we'll talk about the resize of image. So in resize you can do two ways. So this is one way. So you have like if you want a frame, photo frame, right? So your studio guy or whatever the frame maker will inform you that I need this and this size, this width and this height I need. So they'll give the width and height, and you just need to resize your image and give it to them so they can just print and put it in the photo frame, right? So there is two ways. So if someone gave you uh, here width and height, then you can just do it by. So this is your original image from DSLR camera or your mobile phone or whatever your device is, right? So you just go to image and click on canvas size and put your width and height, whatever the camera guy that agency guy gave you. So I'll just put 980, sorry, 1980 and 1020, 1018, and I'll click. So make sure you just maybe they might give you size in inches, size in pixel, centimeter or whatever. So you can just change by here. So I'm just putting right now as I'm keeping this pixel right now, and then press OK and proceed. So you can see now your images look like this, right? So you click on image, so it's selected, right? And then you go to edit, transform and transform again. As you can see, this automatically putting your image into the frame, right? So this is another way. And if you want to do by manually, then you click here, go to image, go to edit and go to free transform. So here you can adjust your image, what you want to show and all. So just hold the shift key and just drag like this, and you just again hold the shift key and drag like this. So this is manually you can do it, and then press enter. So you can see here I added like this, right? So this I added manually, and that was this free transform is this free transform is manual, and this transform again is the automatically it will done. So if you are not familiar with the Photoshop, then it will be help you this transform again. And yeah, so this is one method for the resize. I will just undo everything. Okay, so yeah, so this is my untouched image. So another method is this one, but this only doing proportionally, right? So I'll click on the image size, and here if you have a fixed height or anything, then or fixed width or fixed height, one thing at a time. So this will give you a privilege to resize image. Maybe this can be helpful for social media posts like Facebook. If you want to post in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all, this will help you. So the you can just click on width or height, and you just decide how much you want as a width or height, and make sure this attach is on, otherwise it will the image proportion will be disturbed. So let's say I want 1000 width fixed, and so height will be automatically changed, and then click on OK, and then my image will be resized like that, you see. Okay, now I'll just undo everything, and I'll understand how you crop your image. Oh, another thing is like for social media profile photo and all, uh, they will give you some specific height, right? like uh, like 500 pixel by 500 pixel. So you can do it for that resize also. Here, go to image, canvas size. So here you just click 500 and then also 500, so both is 500 width and height, and then it will be like this. And then you can resize like I said yesterday. I said earlier that sorry, click on free transform and just manually do it, holding shift key, and just manually do it like this, command 0. So this is, you can also adjust like how you want. So you can see this is like I did manually, and it's a square as you can see. So this is custom shape or something. I'll undo, and then now we'll understand like how you can crop, right? So for cropping, you have a tool here, you see. So this is another method. You click and then you adjust how much you want image, like how which portion you want to see, you want to show and everything, you see. So you can see this portion I want in this frame, I want this portion. So you just click on OK, confirm, and then it will be like this. So this is your crop image from the larger image and specific portion you want from image. This is it. Yeah, so let me know guys if you like this video, and if you have any question about this, just let me know in the comment section. Also subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you.